Welcome back, traders, to another video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. I've realized that 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. Also, follow me on Instagram. I post daily updates on trading and I have a ton of content on there as well. And if you want a free forex course, make sure you check out the link in my description. I just made it. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Wow, today was a perfect day in the markets. I cannot tell you how perfect it was. The setup occurred right at our specific times that we look for. And I got to tell you guys something. If you are not using the techniques and the strategy that I'm giving you, you are missing out. Like, what are you guys even doing watching my videos if you aren't actually applying what I am teaching? You guys, I'm giving you the sauce. And this is what I realized. I've realized that 97% of you, actually not even 97%, 99% of you aren't going to be successful with using the strategies that I use. I can give you guys literally what I do to make 6+ figures a year trading, and it's still not going to work for you. Why? It's not that the strategy doesn't work. I know for a fact my strategy works. It's just a lot of you aren't going to actually interpret, or a lot of you aren't going to actually apply what I'm teaching. And that's completely fine. A lot of you are going to watch these videos and you're like, oh, well, he's doing this, he's doing that. But you're too damn lazy to actually go and try it for yourself. You're too damn lazy to show up every day and apply what I'm teaching you guys. So I'm telling you, get the hell out of that lazy mindset and start applying what I'm teaching you. I'm telling you guys, everything that I tell you guys actually works. And if you have not watched my YouTube videos before, go and watch all my previous videos for the past month. All the videos I posted over the last month are all pertaining to how I trade as of today. And I'm telling you guys right now, if you apply what I'm teaching you, you're going to see success. So this is what happened in the market today. We were in an uptrend. Overall, though, if we do zoom out to the daily chart, we can see we were in a downtrend. So we're trending down. Previous daily candle was bearish, so this candle is most likely going to be bearish as well. We get a retest of these psychological levels and a nice dip down. So at this point in time, we are looking to keep going in a downtrend. We just did break a very key level, and what we need now is this daily candle to close below it. That key level is 32,000. Now let's go back to the minute 15 chart. I'm going to show you exactly what I traded today, the trade that I took, the time, all that stuff. So this was the trade that I took right here. I entered right on this candle, this shooting star candle, and I want you guys to understand the psychology and the whole meaning behind this candle, the market open, and all that stuff. So I want to break it down to you guys very simply. Okay, this was the open of the market right here at 6:30. Always at the open of the market, most every single day, there is a false breakout. So that's exactly what we saw right here. We saw our false breakout occur. And we could see that it did push up for the half of this candle. Or actually, let's go to the 5-minute chart and see. Okay, so we can see right here, this was the market open. Boom, it pushed up. Then even on the 5-minute candle, we had this doji right here and then a bearish engulfing. So I want you guys to understand that confluence is a real thing. Confluence is basically saying, okay, let's look at this time frame, and this time frame, and see if they're all adding up and giving us a directional bias on what the market is going to do next. So that's exactly what we saw. We saw this big candle with the wick to the upside, then a doji after, and then a bearish candle after that doji right there, giving us signs like, yo, we're most likely going to go down. And if you didn't get in right there, you had a lower low and then a lower high right here. Perfect re-entry. But this is the trade that I took right here on the minute 15 chart. Literally entered right on this candle. And the cool thing about trading on the 15-minute chart is you're not having to look every minute at the new candle that opens up. You're not even having to look every 5 minutes. I love the 5-minute chart. I've kind of been transitioning to the minute 15 chart because it is more accurate in my opinion. So the thing with the minute 15 chart is, like, you do not have to sit there for 15 minutes. I usually just set an alarm, or I go and make sure I go do something for 15 minutes. I'll come back. So usually I'll just go in the kitchen, maybe make some food real quick, read a book for a second. It does not mean that I have to sit here for 15 minutes, because when you're sitting in front of the terminal and you just see the candle going up and down, you're going to get FOMO. And you're gonna be like, okay, well, it's going up. Like, I need to enter right now. I just need to enter right now. I don't know what it is, this testosterone that I have. I need to enter the trade right now. So with me, I like to walk away so I'm not in front of the computer. And I know, like, look, this next candle right here, it's going to open at 6:30 and it closes at 6:45. It's 6:30 right now. Like, let me go take a shower real quick. And I'll be done in 10 minutes. I'll come back. I'll be a little bit more refreshed too. And I'll be ready to trade. So that's why I like trading off the minute 15 time frame. So I saw this perfect setup right here, this reversal candle. I was like, do you know what? Like, this is going to be a beautiful setup. I know for a fact it's going to drop. That was the false breakout. And I want you guys to understand that this long wick right here was filled at one point in time. So what do you think all the people that are impatient traders and retail traders, beginner traders, what do you think they're doing in the open of the market? Well, they're seeing very quick momentum and they're saying, buy it, fucking buy it. We cannot miss this trade. Even though there's going to be a million other trades in our lifetime, we can't miss this one trade. It's just shooting up way too quickly. We can't miss it, guys. So they enter into it. And they're like, well, it was up here at one point. That's where I bought. Now it's down there. It's going to go up, though. Let me add more positions. And the market maker's like, nah, we're not going up anymore. So this is a trade that I took right here. I used my psychological level of 32,500 that's been tested a lot lately. I just knew, like, look, this was to trap all the people to go long. Their overall move, though, is to go down as we're looking at the daily time frame. Like, I just knew everything was adding up to go short. I was like, bro, this thing is going to drop right now. Like, it's really going to tank. And that's how I had my take profit right there. Just knew that that was a perfect level. We even have our 20 moving average set right there. I was like, do you know what? This thing's going to drop. Entered a short. Boom. I was like, all right, we're good. But this is kind of scary. Is it going to go up now? And I was like, do you know what I'm going to do is kind of trail my stops a little bit. I brought my stops down a little. So, all right, let's see what's good now. And then it tanked. I was like, all right, we're good now. And I was like, boom, smack that TP. So realistically, when you're using the strategy that I'm giving you guys don't have to be going for the biggest bag. Like, you can aim for 500, 200 pips, whatever you want. But I'm telling you guys, this strategy does work. And if you're new to my channel, like I said, and you don't understand what I'm teaching, go back to my previous videos. Watch it from this one to the next one. And you guys actually can't see right here. Watch this video. All these videos are fire. So I would watch all the videos till right here. 1 month right here. All these videos. So you have a bunch of videos you can go through, and this is all based on US 30. I don't trade forex pairs, so if you really want to know the sauce that I use to trade, definitely watch them. And if you want personal help, DM me on Instagram, guys. I will help you. We can book a one-on-one session with each other, okay? But yeah, that was a trade that I took today. Played out absolutely perfect for the day. We can see that the market did drop. Wow, 7,500 pips in a day, baby. That's pretty crazy. And we can see right here, let me see. Okay, never mind. But yeah, that was the trade that I took today. Very nice trade. I want you guys to keep your eye on US 30, especially because it has been dropping. So it's most likely going to have a really big sell-off soon. So you guys can make money on the way down. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.